Okay, let me give you a really good example here also that might be helpful to you. There is a landmark research study that was done by Smith and Glass in 1977. And what they did is they looked at 375 studies. And out of that, they had 833 effect sizes, which means that out of those studies, there was more than one research question asked. And so they might have run, say, 3 or 4 analyses out of the research studies. That's how you get so many effect sizes. And total, if you added everything up, they had 25,000 subjects in the meta-analysis. So putting all 375 of those studies together, they had a total of 25,000 subjects. And what they found was an average effect size across all the studies of 0.68, which is a moderate to large effect size, kind of moderately large. What they were looking at was, does psychotherapy work? And they found an effect size of 0.68. It has a moderately large effect. However, they didn't do as many controls over it. They didn't weight things as much. They didn't look at all these things we've been looking at with ANOVA and regression as much. It was a fairly simple, because it was one of the early ones in 1977. More recent meta-analyses place this effect closer to about a 0.80. So almost one standard deviation. You're doing almost one standard deviation better if you go to psychotherapy than if you're in a control group and you don't get treatment.